But Sundays are for lovers, Mondays are for EBT videos. It's a happy Monday, Manbulise Kuninunke. And you know, Mondays are a chance for you to tell me your favorite sporting moment of the week. We have spiced things a bit up because we've got a fan of ours, a fan of football, who's going to tell us his favorite moment of the week. We've got so many things to choose from. We've got Amachimbo Sipai who have secured themselves a World Cup spot here. 2025. We also got Tibanyana Banyana, Tibanana Malawi, Yaze, Kanti, Matatu, a better premiership took place over the weekend. We can't get us singing on Zulu, So, may you please kindly introduce yourself and tell our viewers at home what was your favorite sporting moment of the week?
Oh, to avoid discussing Nandi and favorite moment aga game Majimbusa qualified for World Cup and by quarter final AFCON.
Wow, that is one moment that so many people are proud of. Amachimo was going to the World Cup and having also secured a quarterfinal spot in the Afghans. But please tell us why. Out of all these, I mean, Banyana Winile, better Premiership here, Shukuka, we had the Kaizer Chiefs doing the most expected. But do you know why?
Banyana Pilaba winner, we used to that. So, Mama Jimbo's when I'll 10 years ago, Basai World Cup since 2015. Yeah. So, it's a good thing for us. So, we must celebrate it.
Yeah, I guess it's something special indeed. So please don't forget to tell me what was your favorite sporting moment of the week in the comment section. We'll be there ready to respond with some fire responses. Come now.